Welcome to Theia3D Workspaces, part of the Theia3D tutorial series. In this video, we will provide an overview of how workspaces can be used, including how to save them, open them, navigate within them, and what data they contain. Theia3D Workspaces can be used to save data at various stages of analysis, but are most useful for saving analyzed data that will be reviewed later. Therefore, it is most useful to have already loaded a movement trial and a calibration file, and analyzed the movement trial. For more details on analyzing data, you can watch our Analyzing Data video. With analyzed data open in Theia3D, you can save your data in its current state of processing by saving it as a workspace. This can be achieved using the Save Workspace Quick Tool button in the left sidebar, or by navigating to Save Workspace under the File drop-down menu. Theia3D Workspaces are saved as a folder containing several files, so the Save window prompts you to select or create a folder in which to save the workspace. Workspaces should not be saved within the raw video data trial folder, as this can prevent the video data from being loaded later. It is also important to not modify the contents of workspace folders, including moving files in or out of the folder. After saving a workspace, you can clear the Theia3D workspace using the Quick Tool button in the sidebar or the shortcut Ctrl F4. To load a previously saved workspace, navigate to Load Workspace under the File drop-down menu. Since workspaces are saved as a folder containing their requisite files, navigate to and select the folder you previously saved that contains all of the workspace files. Your saved workspace is now loaded. After loading a workspace, you can understand the data it contains and navigate within it to review your data. Theia3D Workspaces save the 2D videos, the opened calibration, the selected preferences, and the data associated with any analysis steps. Therefore, loading an analyzed workspace allows you to view fully analyzed data without loading video and reanalyzing it multiple times. You can view the analyzed 3D data projected onto the 2D camera views, view the 3D data in the 3D viewer area, save files such as pose C3D files or video overlays, or modify your settings and analysis. For more information about navigating the Theia3D user interface, you can watch the Theia3D user interface video. Thank you for watching this Theia3D tutorial on workspaces. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please feel free to reach out to support@theiamarkerless.com.